Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In this video, we will learn to factorize the expression 100 minus 6 square. To know more like this, you can visit mathstoon.com or you can also check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. Our given expression is 100 minus 6 square. Now we will rewrite this as 10 whole square minus 6 square. As we all know that 10 whole square is equal to 100. Now look that this expression is in the form of a square minus b square, where a is 10 and b is x. So we can now apply the formula of a square minus b square in this expression. Applying this, we get 10 square minus 6 square is equal to 10 minus 6 times 10 plus 6. Now we cannot factorize this further, so we will stop right now. So finally we have 100 minus 6 square is equal to 10 minus 6 times 10 plus 6. And this is our desired factorization. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.